PH physics classes. So in today's class we are going to read about potentiometer. Okay? So in earlier classes we have already studied about our Wheatstone bridge. Okay? Wheatstone bridge we studied. Then we studied about meter bridge, and now today's topic is potentiometer. Okay? So basically potentiometer is an electrical device that is used to measure the potential difference or EMF of a cell. Potential difference or EMF of a cell. Cell ro EMF मापिबा को हमें potentiometer सा use करूँ और to measure the potential difference. So tell me, why this potentiometer is, we are using this potentiometer even after having a device called voltmeter to measure the potential difference or potential drop across a resistance. ना नहीं, हम पाखरे already गोटे device अच्छी कौन सेड़ा voltmeter. Voltmeter टाको use करके हम कौन potential difference टा माप पारेगा. Then what is the need of this device? Can anyone tell me? Yes. Actually, see, while measuring the potential drop across any resistance connected in a circuit, we generally connect the voltmeter in parallel to the resistance, isn't it? So we generally connect this voltmeter in parallel to the resistance. Okay, if the resistance of this voltmeter, if the resistance of this voltmeter is low, then some current will flow through this, isn't it? Some current will flow through this. That means some amount of potential will be dropped in through this voltmeter. Due to the resistance, potential कौन होगा? Voltmeter drop है. Then the total current that is passing through this resistance will be decreased. No, जति current जति जाऊतला ता current टा कौन चेबे? कमी की एक ही पड़े ची current होता. तो problem कौन होगा? The actual voltage that is dropped across this resistance cannot be measured. From कोच बुझ पाओ ना नहीं. But if I can somehow make the resistance of this voltmeter infinite. Okay? If somehow I made the resistance of this voltmeter infinite. That means जब वो यारो resistance टा को infinite कर देगी voltmeter resistance टा को infinite कर देले इट कौन सी current जीवनी? All current will flow through this resistance only. In that case, what will happen? You can measure the actual potential drop across this one. But fabricating a voltmeter of infinite potential difference is practically impossible. So we cannot form a voltmeter having infinite resistance. हम केवल मुद्दे गोटे voltmeter तैयार कर परिवानी जारो कि infinite resistance थी. So in order to measure the potential drop across a resistance correctly, okay, and accurately, we are using potentiometer rather than voltmeter. बुझी पारलो voltmeter टा काहे यूज न करी potentiometer टा यूज करबा, because potentiometer जदि देखिबा ताटू voltmeter टा अधिक compact ना नहीं, easy to handle. Still the result that you are getting in this voltmeter is not accurate. For the accuracy purpose we are using potentiometer. Understood? बुझी पारलो potentiometer कोन? Okay, very good. So let us see the construction of this potentiometer. What is the construction of this potentiometer? Okay, in this potentiometer you can clearly see there are large number of wires. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, these are called the potentiometer wires. Each wire measures 1 meter. Okay, in a meter bridge we were using one wire of 1 meter. That is why we named that as meter bridge, which work on the principle of Wheatstone bridge. In this case, we are having more than one wires of 1 meter. So here I have connected 4 wires. Each is measuring 100 centimeter or 1 meter. Okay, so here will be a scale. Generally the potentiometer wire varies in number from 4 to 10. Okay, एटी मु चारिटा लगे सेमती को पोटेंशियोमीटर रे 8टा थाई पारे 10टा थाई पारे बुझी पारछो ना नहीं the number may vary मतलब that depend on the manufacturer how many wires and as per our need we can make this potentiometer ठीक अछि तो these are the potentiometer wires and you can see from point A and point B within point A between point A and B I have connected a cell with EMF E okay I have connected a cell with EMF E ठीक है तो what is the function of this cell this will maintain a constant current throughout this potentiometer wire okay the work of this cell is to maintain a constant potential difference okay or to maintain a constant current through this cell a potential difference will not be constant anyway okay but the current will be constant through all these wires and remember the wire that I have taken is all of same material and having same cross section okay the cross section of each wire is same also it is made up of one material only okay so this EMF will maintain a constant current through these wires understood then we have a key okay by this key we can connect and disconnect the battery with this circuit okay then the rheostat is also known as what rheostat is also known as anyone variable resistance rheostat ta kon paଉଛି variable resistance that means we can vary the resistance using this rheostat okay then finally we have a voltmeter connected to a point and which is further connected to a jockey I have already told you about jockey what is a jockey jockey is a sliding contact and this end is free and you can slide this jockey throughout the potentiometer wire you can slide this one throughout the potentiometer wire रे तब हम कोन करबा slide कर पाए okay so what is the principle of this potentiometer okay according to this the principle of this potentiometer the potential drop across this wire is directly proportional to the length of the wire okay what does this say the principle says if L is the length and V is the potential that means V and L are directly proportional okay if I will measure the potential difference at this point the potential difference will be something suppose this one V1 this is V1 okay then I measured it somewhere here the length has increased okay the length has increased then the potential difference will be V2 if L1 and L2 are the length at which the potentials are V1 and V2 if L1 is less than L2 then obviously V2 is greater than V1 V2 is greater than V1 যদি L1 L টা increase করছে তাহলে কোন হচ্ছে V টা মধ্যে increase করিব this is simple principle okay so here I can write V is equal to KL if I will take out the proportional and then I can introduce a proportionality constant but a proportionality constant सेठी हमें रखि परबो okay and this proportionality constant can be determined as K is equal to V by L K is equal to V by L okay this is known as the potential gradient potential gradient as you can see from the formula potential gradient is nothing but the potential per unit length or potential drop per unit length रे केते potential drop होची ताको हम कोन कर परबा potential per potential gradient बोली कर परबा okay so if you know this one okay and you want to find the potential drop across a certain length suppose I am having a length L is equal to suppose L1 is equal to 25 centimeter Okay, 25 centimeter or 2 meter, जहाँ कुछ भी नहीं हो, 2 meter. Okay, so per unit length the potential will be this much, potential drop will be this much. Okay, then for 2 meter the potential drop will be, so the potential drop is equal to K into 2 meter. I can do this one, K into 2 meter. Unitary method. Okay, that is equal to V by L into 2 meter. Isn't it? V by L into 2 meter. That's all. By using this formula, I can determine the potential drop across the potentiometer wire at any length. Okay? Then if you will draw the graph between this potential difference and L. Okay? If I will draw a graph between this potential difference and L. See, this is L, this is V. Okay? I am taking L in the x-axis, length of the wire in the x-axis, and V, potential difference, along y-axis. Then this will be a straight line passing through the origin. This will be a straight line passing through the origin. Okay? Why I will get a straight line? Because V is directly proportional to L. Or you can do it experimentally and determine, as this is passing through the straight origin, a straight line, this straight line is passing through the origin, that means V is directly proportional to L. Okay? Clear? Okay. So this is the principle and construction of potentiometer. This potentiometer can be used to measure the EMF of cell, okay, or to measure the internal resistance of a cell. Okay, internal resistance or EMF can be measured using this potentiometer. Okay, so that's all about potentiometer. Thank you.